morning, Wednesday the 7th of October, and this is a trade from our ASX live room. It's been a little bit quiet up to now this week. No trades on Monday, no trades yesterday, but one of the things we always know is that, if there isn't a trade, don't try and look for one. There are always enough trades in a month to make a very, very good percentage. So it is patience and it is quality over quantity all the time in trading. And this was the trade this morning. We were about an hour into the live room, and first of all, this gap here is incorrect. For some reason, this broker that I take the trades from has not readjusted his time frame for the ASX. It changed at the weekend. Australia moved its clocks, and so it opens for me here in Asia 1 hour earlier, but the broker hasn't woken up to that yet. I do have another broker platform that's showing correct how it was moving up here, but I take the trades on this platform because this is the platform that's linked to our copying service that copies trades onto other accounts. So although I was watching the correct move up on the other platform, this is where the trade. So we had a move up here, and here was the pullback, and it pulled back to this blue moving average, and we got a nice bullish candle. And the other thing that I liked about this trade, this one indicator we use had come back, pulled up and given a V shape here, which if you have undergone any of our training packages or anything like that with us, you will know the significance of this. Very, very good probability trade. So we entered here one point above, and immediately the trade went nicely into profit, and as you know, on the ASX, I tend to like to trail our stop. We have our initial stop here under the low, and I tend to like to trail our stop under this blue moving average, and that's what I did today. We came all the way up here, and we then made a pullback. Didn't give a second entry here. It was not a pullback where you'd think we'll add to the trade. Came up, made a higher high, came back here, and this candle here just closed below the moving average. And the rule is it can dip below the moving average and come back above and close, and that's fine, we stay in the trade. But if it closes below the moving average, we exit the trade. So we exited the trade here, and as you can see, it then carried on, came down this dip below but didn't close below, and it carried on up here. In actual fact, looking, you think we may have got, but again, following our rule, here it did close below, and nobody knows what's going to happen here afterwards. We took the trade, we followed our rules, and it resulted, we had an 8-point stop, and it took a 14-point profit. So that was a 1.75 R, as we call it, as a result. And if you were risking $500 on every trade we take, that was $500 risk. And the profit, and just worked the profit out, was $875. So again, a good trade. And so that's I think that's only the second trade this month in ASX, but it is the quality, and we shall see today if we get anything in the DAX room. So we shall talk later. Thank you.